Okay, so let's look at what happened yesterday. So yesterday we opened with the GAP app, and we started rallying immediately. Got to that 20-day point of control, and then we started fading, and eventually filled the gap, and then went back to the high volume node, and then got to the settlement, and then swept through value, right? We went to value area low. Then we found buyers, and we had a V-shaped reversal, and closed the day at the same area as 67.15, and then moved the 20-day point of control down here, 67.15. So now, but look how this was a pretty balanced day. The low wasn't even close to taking the low from the previous session, so we're still one time framing up. And today what I'm looking for is, do we break out of yesterday's value area high? If we do, then I'm looking for a move back again to this 67.65, and then if we break above the high from yesterday, then I'm looking for that Trump crime scene where he tweeted, and then we had this drop. Keeping in mind that we have a set of single prints here, we have some resistance between 72 and 76. This right here is a composite profile from the previous, I think it's 5 days here after we broke above. So this is the upper distribution, and if you look at this, we entered inside value, right, for this profile, and then we rejected it. So the signal for that short was once we started holding below this value area, and then we had the drop. Now today again, I'm going to be looking at this area again. So if we hold this 55 area, 54, 55, then I'm going to be looking for a move through this whole distribution and back to that scene of the crime. Now, because the point of control shifted down here, but look, I mean, if you look at this is almost the same volume as this two high volume nodes. So it could go either here or it could go back here. So if we fail to hold above value, then I'm going to be looking for a move down to the 67.15. So, and if we hold above it, then I'm going to be holding to that 67.65. So, and then above that, I cover the other scenarios pretty much every day for the last few days. Similar scenario in Q, still looking for that 25.180 target, which is right below the single print, and then looking for continuation. If we clean the single print, there's a high volume node here at 330, 330, and then below it we still have the point of control down here. So the 20-day point of control down here. Crude is kind of stuck at the 58.50 area. It looks like it wants to start turning. Still hasn't moved very much, and gold is unstoppable. 42.65 today, so just keep holding. If you're long, congratulations. If you held through this whole thing, congratulations. Tomorrow is OPEC, so we're going to start seeing some hedging flows. We were price action, pinning prices around big strikes. 6700 on XPX is a big one, so you can see that now we're just holding here. So just keep that in mind that tomorrow is OPEC. So we also have some Fed speaking today, and not much news coming up, so just keep watching for moves back and forth between these two high volume nodes.